which are some of the new trends that you are witnessing from across Asia when it comes to investing in technology companies, maybe especially in this part of the world?
Well, I think that since I'm coming from the world of the infrastructure investment bank, so I would very much like to see, to talk about this trend from the perspective of the infrastructure investment perspective. You know that technology is changing everything, and it's also changing the whole economy. It also changes the way that infrastructure is designed, constructed, and operated. So you can see that the governments across Asia, they really pay a lot of attention to the application and also commercialization of the technology. So there's a lot, you can see a lot of trends that people applied new technology and integrate them into the infrastructure. And so you can see all those rise of the artificial intelligence. You can see the e-commerce, fintech revolution. But as far as the infrastructure is concerned, we could also see lots of investments on the technology related to sustainability, which related to climate change. A lot of technology applied to the renewable energy, smart cities. So you can see all those technologies has been integrated into the infrastructure so that it could be combined with those traditional infrastructure, which can also generate more efficiency, productivity, resilience, sustainability, or even transparency. So that's what I see the trends. I mean, for those countries in the Asian, they really, have adapted all those technologies into the infrastructure.